We'll guide you through how to use formulas and calculations in a word table. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So here we are in Word, and you can see I've got a table of data and I want to go and do some different things with it. So first of all, go and place your cursor in the cell that you want to go and use a formula in. I'll do it in this one here in the top right. Then with it selected, click on Table Layout at the top and go over to the right and click on Formula. Then what you want to do is you can go and delete what's currently in here. At the moment, it's using a sum formula. Of course, you may want to use something different. Just keep the equals though. In paste function, click there and you can choose the function you want to use. So for example, I may want to go and use count or average in this case. So this is going to go and calculate the average. In the brackets, you need to type in what you want to go and calculate it for. In this case, I'll type in left, which means using the data to the left. Press OK and it'll go and calculate it, as you can see. Just to give you another example, I'll select this cell, I'll then click on Formula. And what we can then do is we can go and remove what's currently in here. And this time I'm going to go and use count. So I'll select it. And then in the brackets, I want to go and count above. So I'll go and type in above like so, then press OK. And it says 5 because there are 5 results above it.